Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial and ask the question, what are the requirements to monetize on Facebook using Facebook Creator Studio on a Mac computer? Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Facebook, and a like page, as well as videos that we have posted to the account. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Facebook Creator Studio using the shortcut within bookmarks. Once that is loaded, make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to the side navigation menu, then go to monetization. Once you have applied for monetization, you should have within your status no monetization breaches. What we can then do is go to view page eligibility. This will tell you if you are eligible to be a part of the Facebook monetization partner program. So as you can see that we have the tools set up and ready to monetize. Stars are a virtual good that lets you earn money and interact with the followers. Meta pays for the stars that you receive. Other monetization tools, which we may have not met, however, we will be meeting those in the near future. So this is for in-stream ads. View the criteria. You need to have at least about 5,000 followers on your page. Eligible minutes viewed, so this needs to be about 60,000 on-demand, live, and previously live minutes viewed, including replayed minutes, but not including boosted, cross-posted, or paid watch time. So at the moment, we have 2% of that, and this is only in the last 60 days. If we were combining all the views for the last, let's just say, 2 years or since the account was created, then that would have surpassed 60,000. However, Facebook require you to reach that threshold across the last 2 months. And you need to have some active videos, at least 5 on-demand or previously live videos published to the page that are active and created by yourself. Not using somebody else's content, not artificial intelligence, but videos that you have created, recorded, edited, exported, uploaded, rendered, and all the above. So we can now quit that part of the tutorial. Let's go back to home. Let's now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.